Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you love fashion content, sewing tutorials and sewing DIYs, hit the subscribe button, like, share to your friends and family that love fashion, and let's do this together. First, we have the sewing machine. Sewing is basically practice. It could be an industrial sewing machine, manual like you see, heavy duty, computerized or electronic sewing machine. You can have any of the sewing machines. The most important thing is you can practice with it. A measuring tape is what you need to take body measurements and take them out on the fabric and even pattern paper. It is measured in inches from 1 to 60 inches and even in centimeters, but we're using the inches part mostly. Third on the list is scissors. A scissors is used in cutting out your fabrics, in cutting out your patterns, cutting out threads, basically everything you cut by sewing. You'll be needing more than one scissors, and I'm going to tell you why. Now, because you'll be cutting out patterns, fabrics and whatnot, you will need a scissors for patterns and another for fabrics. Do not use together or they'll go blunt. Sewing is all about patterns, and a pattern paper is very useful in drafting out patterns before you cut them out on the main fabric. It is used to reduce errors on the fabric and also effective in learning new patterns. Next up is rulers. Rulers are used for making the designs, drawing lines and curves on the fabrics and also on the pattern papers. I would advise you get a transparent rule, just like you can see, because it's see-through and it reduces errors. This particular one has curves and it has a straight edges for straight lines. Tailors chalk is what you'll be using to draw on your fabrics. I love this particular chalk because it comes in different colors. It has a slim edge that makes it really easy to mark and draw precisely on your fabric, and the different colors make it easier to draw on fabrics depending on the color of the fabric you're using. Threads are what we use in sewing. Get different colors of threads, especially the regular colors, because it will suit most fabrics. Pins are mostly used to hold fabrics in place to sew, and there are different types of pins, and the one you get depends on your preference because they all serve the same purpose. Seam rippers are used for cutting threads and undoing seams and stitches where there's a mistake. Using a seam ripper makes it less likely for the fabric to get damaged. Hand needles, just like the name goes, they are used in sewing what you don't necessarily need to sew on the machine, like buttons, hooks and beading. Also, we have the machine needles that comes in different sizes for your machine type and what you're making. Sewing reelers are also used in sewing and they're usually put under the machine. Threading more reelers while making an outfit makes it faster. Next is stationaries I use in drafting out patterns. You have my marker, pen and eraser. You could also add pencils too. We have interfacing like ST, pepper gum and so on. We have lining. You can just get a black lining for starters. Linings are used for Ankara and lace and also for transparent fabrics. It gives structure and coverage. The rough part of the ST is the part that has the gum and is being placed on the fabric. Fabrics are the materials we use in making our clothes. So yeah, it's advisable to get different fabrics so you have an idea of what fabric best suits a particular style. Zippers are used to finish a cloth to give better fitting, and sometimes it can be used to design a cloth. The color of zipper and the length depends on the fabric and style. Bias is a material that is mostly used in finishing. You'll be needing a book to write down your measurements and even that of a client, and to write down some formulas too. We have come to the end of this video. If you love sewing DIYs, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment and turn on your post notifications. Thank you.